Embaixador Kimura Tetsuya hatou mensagem inspiração no motivação do bolseiro Sira, nebe bahasa estudo ya Japão, li husi programa ZDS Max no Zaika. Embaixador Japão do Timor-Leste, Kimura Tetsuya hatou mensagem idane, li husi cerimônia despedida do bolseiro Sira, nebe realiza a residência oficial embaixador Niang e a Pantai Kelapa, sexta-feira fim de semana né. To agora ia ona bolseiro ZDS nain hat nulu racing hat, mak envolve o programa idane, nain tol nulu racing ida, consegue asai mestrado ho sucesso, no contribui para desenvolvimento nacional. Ia tinang ne, bolseiro ZDS nain nem, sai participante ia programa refere ia Japão, hamoto ko bolseiro Zaika nain rua, no bolseiro Max nain rua, nebe seimos, halau knar ia escola Sira ia Japão.
Boa tarde, boa noite. It is with great pleasure that I extend a warm welcome to you at this evening's JDS send-off reception. Japan has been working together with Timor-Leste by providing assistance for building social capital as well as developing human resources, ever since the first donors meeting for Timor-Leste took place in Tokyo in 1999. In line with this dedication to capacity building for the people of Timor-Leste, the government of Japan have been offering numerous scholarship programs. Over 200 Timorese have pursued their studies in Japan, with 100 of them having returned to Timor-Leste as graduates, each now playing a vital role in the nation's development. This year, 2 scholars commenced their studies in Japan in April through the Mixed Scholarship Program. Under JICA's long-term training initiative, 2 trainees are set to embark on their academic journey in Japan, alongside with 6 JDS fellows who will also be studying in Japan. The Japan Grant Aid for Human Resource Development Scholarship, known as JDS, is aimed at empowering promising young officials who are expected to engage in implementing social and economic development as future leaders. The JDS offers master's doctor course degree courses at Japanese graduate schools. We are proud to note that to date, 44 Timorese have engaged with this JDS program, with 31 of them having successfully obtained master's degrees, whereby actively contributing to their affiliated organization and more broadly to the development of Timor-Leste. The JDS offers not only an opportunity for young Timorese to gain knowledge in Japan for national development, but also fostering ties with cooperation with peers from other nations, who may also become future leaders. I hope that the JDS program will play a part to promote the integration of Timor-Leste into ASEAN as its official member in the future. Marduk JDS fellows, Estadiarius Tempnaruk Jaikanian, Hauhen Holaran Toma Katak, Imi sei estuda magas no Harimar magas ita Japan. No banhia imi filamai Timor-Leste, atu mos nudar líder sila, iha função pública ka nudar peritu sila, equipado ho perspectiva, luan no experiencia luan neve hetan iha Japan. Além de ne hau hen atu haleita bot sila kair knar principal sila, o di liga itania nasan dua Japan no Timor-Leste.
Ni espera, bolseiro Sira atu mantém relação amizade, no cooperação idane, hodi hameting liutan relação bilateral entre Japão e Timor-Leste, no promove integração regional hanesang ASEAN. Reportagem no Vai Magno Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba emogoto, atu tem informação atual dia kliu, kita haluha, hanehang botão subscribe, like, halo comentário no faixa tutang ba media sosial hotu.